Okay, we're going to go to the circuit breaker here. The circuit breaker is set between 20 and 40 amps, depends on what cooler you have. If you have a continual problem with this popping out, there can be several reasons that this could occur. Number one, overloading. You've got too much weight on your cooler and you're trying to either out in the hot sun or overload, or you're going up too high a grade, or you've been running at too high a speed for too long a period of time. This breaker will pop. It's designed to protect the system. Sometimes you can also find out that, wow, everything is really hot and the motor's hot and everything. Sometimes if your brake down here is on and causing your wheel not to spin freely, then this will also cause your battery to draw a lot of extra power, your motor have a lot of extra heat. It's just like driving with your parking brake on. It creates and really heats up the system. So you definitely want to make sure your brake is spinning freely. If for some reason it's not, this little adjustment right here can sometimes move this caliper backwards and forwards and make sure that this caliper is centered over your brake disc and not rubbing against one side. This brake has two shoes, one on the inside, one on the outside. If it's pushed against one side or the other, it'll cause this to basically cause you to have braking all the time. Braking all the time runs your battery down, creates excessive heat, and can also cause your breaker to pop. So again, you can adjust this slightly one way or the other. That'll move your caliper back and forth. Be sure that your brakes have enough play in them so your brakes are not on all the time. If you have this tightened up where your brakes are touching all the time, where you can't spin it freely, then again, this is a big problem that can cause, number one, your battery life to be cut by up to 75%. Can also cause your breaker to pop, can cause overheating of your motor and burning out of your controller. If you want more detail, please refer to the brake section about adjusting your brake caliper.